Hey friends and artists, this is Khadija Yassine from Stain Organic. Just doing a stain check-in with the new formulation of raw ink and the watercolor work I did with Luxe. These triangles on my wrist, they're about a week old or a little more now. This finger, ring finger, I can't remember exactly now, it's a few days old. My index finger, you can tell it started to fade there, but that's because that is where I get the most wear and tear. This is my dominant finger. It rubs on everything, water gets on it and all that sort of thing. But as you can see, the raw ink Jagua Gel, it'll get to black, but then when it starts to fade, it actually starts to turn a nice blue color, which I really love because you get to have both of those. So you can see the swirls are black, and then the vines of the leaves are starting to turn blue. And so I don't know, I just love going through both of those phases. I just added Luxe in different textures and in different layers to make certain parts of the design pop, like those little petals on this kind of more traditional aspect of the design, and then some shading on the swirls with some strategically placed highlights to make it look a little more dimensional. It's a poppy. Try to make that look realistic in a watercolor fashion. And this is something I'm practicing. I'm not claiming any expertise at it. I just used to paint watercolor before, and I really enjoy it. It's really relaxing, so that's what I'm trying to do. And yeah, again, some shading there. And so yeah, this stain is still hanging in there, and I'm super excited to see how long it goes. All right, if you have any questions, as always, please message me, email me, whatever. I'm here to answer all your questions. Our products are something that are totally different, which is why our tagline is something totally different. Stain Organic, something totally different. And so if you have any questions about how they work or how best to use them, please shoot me an email, send me a Facebook message. You can message me online at stainorganic.com. There's lots of ways. And yeah, you can find these goodies at stainorganic.com/shop. Thanks, and I'll talk to you soon.